Hi, welcome back to Igbo Online College. My name is Edith Nwobu. On this channel, we talk about everything Igbo, the Igbo language, literature, and culture. So sit back and let's take the ride. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say yes and no in Igbo. Let's jump right in. Saying yes. Basically, yes means eh. Means yes by itself. Yes. Another way you can say yes is by saying oh yeah. Oh yeah. When you say this, it means you are concurring to a statement or a question. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Obo ya. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Remember that I said that is yes by itself. Oh yeah, it means you are concurring to a statement or a question. So basically, when you mean to say just yes, you use but when you mean to concur, to show concurrence to a statement or question, you use oh yeah. Another way we say yes is when somebody calls you, you can answer not really yes. Another way to a way to answer to calls. Example: Uche, Nkechi, Williams, So you can say It is different from The tone is different. The tone for yes is for answering to a call is So you see the difference. All right, that is that about yes and answering a call, somebody calling your name and you answering the person. Now you can also say it is me. When they are asking who did this, you can say it is me. I did. It is me. Who did this? I did. It is me. All right, that is that about yes and concurring and answering to your name. We have our ways of saying no. How we say no in Igbo. In Igbo, you say no by saying mba. Basically, mba means no. No, that is mba. Another way you can say no is eh. No. That is no. So these are the ways you can say no. You could also say no by saying That is no. Basically, we say no by saying mba or eh. You can also say oh when you are responding in the affirmative to a request. You say oh. If somebody is asking you to run errand for him or her, you say oh. Or somebody is asking, please let me take this. Maybe something belongs to you and the person says, please let me have this. You say oh. It means a yes to a request. It is usually used when you want to say yes to a request. For example, when somebody wants to ask you to help him or her get something, you can say oh. Example: Biko nyem mmiri. Please give me water. You can respond by saying oh, or you say odimma. In this context, it means all right. All right. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Also, share my videos and see you in my next video. Thank you. Deme. Daalụ. Ka emesịa.